So what we want to do today, आज हम करना क्या चाहते हैं कि देखना चाहते हैं ये Google AI Studio कैसे काम करता है और हम actually can we use Google AI Studio to learn and improve something. So what I am going to do is take the website that we work on. I work for Bajaj Capital at CMO and CDO. So मैं bajajcapital.com की वेबसाइट लूंगा और लाइव शेयर स्क्रीन करके उनसे पूछता हूं एआई से हाउ आई कैन इंप्रूव द साइट, राइट? आई हैव लॉट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर्स, टेक टीम, marketing team, but let's make AI our friend and see if we can use this. So today we will see whether this Gemini Live Studio works and how it actually works, and it's very interesting. So what I'm going to do is I will share my screen, right, and a tab, and I want to ask them to analyze my website, right? So we will go to this screen, and here what I will give is a custom instruction. Okay.
आप वेबसाइट के स्क्रीनशॉट के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं और उस पर कस्टम निर्देश देना चाहते हैं,
Right.
क्या ये सही है?
Yes. So what I want you to do is analyze this site of Bajaj Capital and tell me what is right and what is wrong. Two things that we are doing right and two things we are doing wrong. Can you do that?
जरूर मैं ऐसा कर सकता हूँ कुछ। बजाज कैपिटल की वेबसाइट का विश्लेषण करने के बाद मुझे लगता है कि वे दो चीजें सही कर रहे हैं। वे हैं, पहला, वे विभिन्न प्रकार के निवेश उत्पादों को स्पष्ट रूप से प्रस्तुत करते हैं, और दूसरा, वे एक सरल और सहज डिजाइन का उपयोग करते हैं। दो चीजें जो मुझे लगता है कि उन्हें सुधारने की आवश्यकता है, वे हैं, पहला, वेबसाइट में ग्राहक सहायता की कमी है, और दूसरा, जानकारी प्राप्त करना कभी-कभी मुश्किल हो सकता है। क्या आप मेरे विश्लेषण से
Can you talk to me in English, please?
Certainly. Based on what I see on the Bajaj Capital website, two things they are doing right are...
Wait. Now the next question that I want to ask is, can you tell me what changes I should do? Two changes I should do to make the website more impactful.
Okay, I can certainly do that. Based on the website's appearance, two changes you could make to have it be more impactful are, first, you could make the call to action button a more prominent color or shape to help guide the user, and second, you could change the image or graphic used for each category to have a common style or theme. Does that help?
Yes, it helps. And if I go down, on the site, if you see, how do you see this section? Does this section make sense?
Yes, I can see that section. It has two boxes labeled I want to and I'm searching for that each have several options. It appears to be an attempt to provide a quick way to access common features on the site based on user intent. Does that summarize it correctly?
Yes. And do you think this makes sense for a user? Will they use this?
Based on the design, it could be helpful for some users. The I want to and I'm searching for categories with clear options could help guide users who aren't sure where to start. However, if the user already knows what they want, they may not use the options in this section. Do you have an opinion about whether it's effective?
Yeah. Can you tell me how does this trending post looks like, and does this make sense?
Certainly. The trending posts section on the page shows 6 articles, each with a title, a brief description, and a read more link. The articles cover topics like ways to make money work, tax planning, and investing. This section seems designed to engage users with current relevant topics and drive traffic to their blog. Does this description fit with your understanding?
Yes, it does. What can I do to improve this trending post section?
Okay, one thing you could do to improve the trending post section is to add a visual element such as an image to each post. This would help them stand out and be more visually appealing. Additionally, you could implement a filtering mechanism that allows users to filter by category or topic. Does that sound like helpful advice?
Yes, but if you go here, as per the global standards, say Chase or a global bank, what is missing in this place that you think?